Hello and welcome back to another GeoGuessr video. I'm going to be attempting to get a perfect score in Iceland today. A bit different from my last perfect score attempt in the UK. This one involves, I think, a fair amount of geodetective work and all that stuff. I've played this map once or twice before and actually got pretty close to a perfect score, but I think I wasn't recording at the time. Now I am, so we're going to go into this. I probably won't be showing you my first attempt, but I'll show you a good attempt hopefully. So let's just get into this. Okay, here we go. Looking like a good start to the to the map. Very often I've found with Iceland is if you get middle of nowhere locations, it's very hard to find out where you are, because even if you do find out where you are, it's very difficult to pinpoint it and get a perfect score, which is actually the challenge with Iceland. But this should be easy enough because we've got a town. It's not Reykjavik, I think, because we've got sea to our south and mountains to our south, more importantly. And I'm just looking around for the main road. This unfortunately isn't it. This is the problem we've got, is finding the actual main road. So let's keep moving around. Oh, that was not intended. Okay. This looks like potentially the main road through the town. Okay. It would be useful. The first thing I really want to do is find out what main road we're on. We need a number, because the main roads in Iceland are numbered. We've got... Sea is actually almost to our east, but it's hard to tell if... And to our north as well. Okay, Borgarnes, Akureyri. Okay, Borgarnes. We're in Borgarnes. And I know Akureyri is on the top end. So I think this is Borgarnes that we're in. So we've just got to find that. But the problem is, I have no idea where that is. It's saying Akureyri north. So maybe there we go. There's Borgarnes. I think we are there. So let's go back to the location we were in, and let's look for the street name. Good. Let's hope this actually gives us a street name. Bodvarsgata. And it's going sort of almost directly south. Maybe it isn't Borgarnes. It kind of works, doesn't it? But it looks a little bit too small, doesn't it? Could we be... What was the name? Bodvarsgata. What's down here? It continues. Borg. Could we be... Yes, there we are. Bodvarsgata. We were a bit further south of Borgarnes, but we are directly north of this bend. So we should be about there. 4 meters. Good. Okay. That's a good start. Next round. And another town one, which is lucky. Very lucky. Let's go west here. This could very well be Reykjavik. Actually, no. We've got mountains to our... I suppose it could still be Reykjavik. We were on Einjavegur, although I will need to come back to that because I won't remember it. This seems to be a fairly main road. I'm hoping to see a sign. Ooh, we have a bridge. Okay, this is probably not Reykjavik. Because, no, this is definitely... I mean, Reykjavik could be over there, but if I suppose we could be over here somewhere, maybe. Is there a bridge there? No. We'll continue to go this way because I think this is a main road. And I think there's a sign up there. Here we go. Okay, Reykjavik North. Okay, Fossness. Okay, is there a chance of getting a sign the other way? It seems to be that we're on the 1. And we're going north, almost directly north. And we see a mountain ahead of us, which is probably puts us down on the south coast. But do we have... Okay, hopefully on the other side there'll be a sign. This is still the 1. Oh, this is useful. Maybe I should have checked the other sign for something like this. So 35, right. So something I've learned about Iceland is the road numbers rotate in sort of numerical, like in a clockwise order. So the 3s are all down here in the 35. So we're at the junction with the 35 and the 1. And there we are. We were in Selfoss. That's where we were. So let's go back to... Okay, we've got to find a fairly east to west road. So it's probably over here somewhere. And we want to find the junction between Sigtun and whatever this road's called. Can we find what this road is called? Oh yeah, this was the Enjavegur. Enjavegur, there it is. Sigtun. Okay, right, so if I go back, we are much closer to the Sigtun junction. Looking, and it's on our west. So we should be there, which I'm just going to confirm that this is whatever that's called, Tryggvagata or whatever it was. No, you know what, I'm just going to go for it. So we are, let's say, well, there's a building to help us. We're about there. Yeah, 7 meters. Good. Okay, next round. And another lucky one. Oh, wow, this is a very lucky one. We're right next to a stadium, so it should be very easy to find. Although, slightly concerning, we're in this large car park space. We're going to have to... Oh, God. How many... How many runs did they do through the car park? Hardly street view, is it? Right, okay, so we are... I have no idea where we are, let's be honest. East is the... That's not the sea, that's just an industrial area, which is not a good sign. I probably should be going the other way, but let's just keep going for now. I'm thinking I should go the other way. I wonder what this stadium is. Be interesting to know. Oh, yeah, the other way was a roundabout. That was much better to go for. I've wasted a bit of time there. Flatharon, that doesn't give me any information. This sign will, though. Right. Kefla. Okay, so we're near Reykjavik. In fact, we're pretty much in Reykjavik. We're on the 41. Although it looks like this is the problem with the Icelandic signs. I think this means we're on the 41, but it also appears to say the 41's off to the east as well. So there's the 41. And we just done a roundabout, and the road's kind of going almost directly north, isn't it? And I mean, I should use the stadium here, shouldn't I? Let's see. What was the name of this street? Flatahraun. So we need a roundabout along the 41 when it's going from north to south, and these are not north to south. Is it? Has it got 2 roads and split in the middle? It has. Let's see. just seeing if it's maybe down here somewhere. Yeah, it said Keflavik. Which direction is it saying Keflavik is? Saying Keflavik, Hafnar. Oh, right. It's saying Keflavik is south. Is that right? So maybe we're over here somewhere. Wish I could see the like not street view, like satellite, because that would help a lot. If Keflavik's to the south, what is going on? It's weird, very strange. I'm a bit lost here because I'm trying to work out. It doesn't feel like we're in the center of Reykjavik, and if we're on the 41, we're looking for roundabouts on the 41. Is it separated all the way along? Oh, wait, hold on. The 40. Okay. We're here, aren't we? Flatahraun. There we are. Right. Okay. Done. But no, this is going to be difficult. This is actually going to be quite difficult because I can't see the actual stadium. It's directly south. There's a building. I'm pretty sure that this is the... Yeah, this is going to be very difficult because I'm not... actually, you know what? I can check this. I can check this by going up here. Oh, yeah, I can kind of... This, it depends on whether or not it gives me some room for error. So it is the first... oh, and it says the petrol station is there. So if the petrol station's there, we should be just at the end of the petrol station and almost directly south of that. I would have thought we'd be like there, but I'm not confident. Maybe here instead. I'm gonna go for it. 6 meters. Oh, I'm relieved with that one because there was a very good possibility I ended up off, because sometimes those ones can be, that the flag can be off. Okay, on to the 4th round. And I don't think we're getting a perfect score. In fact, there's no way I get a perfect score here. I mean, I'm going to persevere and find out where we are, but this is a very straight road going for a long way. And I had a lot of luck earlier on from the 3 rounds in a sort of urban area. I was due one of these ones, so we're gonna give it a go. With any luck, we'll be able to salvage it. But as you can see, I'm clicking for miles to the west. I can see mountains a long way off, but I mean, you never know which way you're supposed to click when you get around like that. Maybe it's better to go east rather than west, which is what I'm doing at the moment. I mean, maybe I've just ended up in the middle of the country. That's very possible. And if I have ended up in the middle of the country, I'm completely stuffed because there's nothing there. There's just absolutely nothing. But I thought most of it was mountainous, so who knows? There was a sign there. I don't think it was going to be anything useful, but let's have a look at it anyways. 200 meters until you can drive off the side of the road. All right, fair enough. Ah, dear. How are we all doing today? It's a long one. It's a very long one. What was that? There was something. Oh, Hulsfuel. Oh yeah, that's yeah. I know where that is. Spot on. It's right there. I have no idea. I don't think I've ever clicked so long in one direction and got absolutely nothing. I mean, maybe I should have gone the other way, but it might have been the same exact thing. I'm close to just placing and taking my medicine of a very bad score, but oh wow, okay, it was probably worth it for this. Yeah, is this where I think I've seen this on pictures? Ironically, though, I've clearly gone the wrong way. But where is Detifos? Maybe it'll be on the map here somewhere. It wasn't Husafell, was it? The one that I was... Hold on. It wasn't this, was it? Well, this is... That's... So Foss is waterfall. That's another waterfall. I should know where this is. I think I've seen this specific waterfall on like a YouTube video somewhere. Where would it be? It could be anywhere. I am somewhat tempted to go back to where I was, like press the flag and go the other way, because this is clearly the end of a long road. I'm just having a look to see if I can see Detifos anywhere. No, I'm going back and I'm going to go, I think, this way. I really hope I'm not close to a junction this way, because that would be awful. That'd be the most soul destroying thing. Actually, we know... Okay, hold on. I'm just going to have a quick look. Just a quick look on the east side. I didn't really look because... the reason is because clearly we're going east here, probably back to a main road, which makes me think we're on the east side. No, I'm going to keep scrolling. I am very sorry for the probably massive amount of sped up bits you're going to have to watch. But I might just cut it, actually. I might just cut it until I find something. You know what, I'm going to do that. So I'm going to cut it when I get to somewhere. Well, there's a bridge here, but no, I'm going to keep going and I will cut it in a second.
A few moments later.
I think I see civilization. Yes! Well, I'm a bit of a fool for scrolling for miles the other way. But, right, okay, we're going to figure out where we are now. Detifos on the 864. Right, so that's the 864. 28 kilometers, I think I just scrolled. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, the 864. Goodbye fast time and probably perfect score, but and this isn't the one. This surely isn't the one. It's trying to tell me I'm on the one. I'm not on the one. Akureyri is in the north. So the 864 should be... Wouldn't it be ironic if I'm like bang on it? No, it's nothing there. Okay, where's the 864? 8284 864. Okay. I feel like... Okay, so it's going... The Golden Gate Bridge of the Highlands. Interesting. Selfoss. Was that was it, wasn't it? Was that not the... No, it was Detifos, wasn't it? And Aspergi. I am wondering whether Grim... I think we are on this road. The way this is curving round. According to this, there should be a bridge down here though. Let's see. Let's see if there's a bridge. Is there actually a bridge? Please don't be called the Golden Gate Bridge of the Highlands. That's ridiculous if it is. I don't think that's it. That's not... Grimstad. Oh god, it is, isn't it? Right. The road is freaking me out. We're going east at the moment, which means we should be... I think we're just on the 864 there. And yeah, okay, right. So it's saying that Grimstadir and Grimstunga. Okay, right. So that's this sort of big curve bit. We go over the first bridge. We go over the second bridge. Okay. I'm just going to click there and go back and then just find where that first bridge, that second bridge was. Oh, it's right here, isn't it? No. And there's our bridge. No. Is that our bridge? No, that's not our bridge. Okay, no, we go down. We're going down that now, aren't we? And our river should be down there. Yes. Okay, we've found out where we are, at least. This is good. There's our bridge. Right there. Okay, so that's there. So going back to where we were, we're up that, we're around that. We're somewhere there. Question is how much... Oh, should I try and do this? Okay, bear with me guys again. I'm gonna do a counting method where I go calculate the number of steps in this direction, number of steps in that direction. I try and get it right. I'm probably not going to. It's probably be a waste of time, but bear with me.
One eternity later.
Okay. So I counted 45 in the east direction and 90 in the west direction, which means it's double. So in theory, I should be about there. I'm a bit scared to click this. Let's go. 97 meters. No, I was off. I was off by a good amount. And therein lies the problem with Iceland perfect score. But we're 9 points off. We're going to keep going. You know, it should be a good attempt at least. So we're on the, well, at least a north part of the island. So I'm gonna go this way. Hopefully it's not completely stupid and I'm not going in the complete wrong direction for miles, but we have got some perhaps geodetective work we can use, the mountains and all that. Oh, we got a junction. Do we have a sign? No. I mean, it looks like a fairly main road, so I feel like the chances that we're on the main circular road in Iceland is likely. So I'm just going until I see I see a town, which is very, very helpful. No, I'm not going to look for that. I'm going to just, I thought I saw a sign, but we're not going to look for that. And that was an orange sign, probably about construction of some sort. So let's ignore that. Right, Riff. That might not be the name of the town. Maybe it is. Maybe it is. Oh, and no, this is perfect. Are we on the 574 then? That seems to say we're on the 574. So let's find the 5 numbers. Here they are. Okay, this looks correct. So the 574, there's the 76. Could we be on this road? Sometimes it says if you zoom in what, well, sometimes it says what that road's called. 5. No, we're I mean, obviously we're on the north side. We're around here somewhere. There's Riff. Okay, so this is probably the 574, but we can't see it. So that's fine. Right, so oh, and actually we were close to another town. Now I could have seen that if I actually tried to look properly. Right, we're going to have to use... Yeah, it's a little tricky. A little bit tricky. So it's before the road curves round. And does it curve back up from here? I'm just trying to establish I'm definitely in the right place. That's that bit that comes out, I think. Yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah, so that's... There should be a building there. Still curving down. Making me wonder whether I'm actually correct. No, it looks right. Okay. So if we go back to there, what is... Oh, actually there's some... We're not far from the bend back. Yeah, we're not far from that bend. Like we'd be there maybe. Sort of in between that. This is throwing me off. That's not there. That's where they've connected the two roads together. I think this goes like that and curves up a little bit, which is where yeah, this is going to be a bit of a wild guess again. We're in between that bit that goes down. Yeah, that's there. I think I'm right in saying here. I'm going to guess 16 meters. It'll do. Good. I was off the road a little bit. Okay, so near perfect score. Near perfect score. That one round right there, just slightly off was the difference. But pretty pleased with that in general. I think it's a good... Well, it's not my first attempt, but actually it was the first attempt for this video. I was expecting to do quite a few because you usually don't get that number of town options or town locations, or urban locations, I should say. But pretty good showing. But I will still persevere and get a perfect score at some point. So hopefully that'll be the next video, but we'll see. Find out next time. And thank you very much for watching.